What's up guys, welcome back. You're watching for Tech. Our channel constantly provides different add-ons features for OnePlus devices, and one of them is the new fingerprint styles and icons. OnePlus introduced the new fingerprint icon setting in OxygenOS 16.0.9 update. Because of that, we can no longer use old fingerprint styles that we shared in our previous non-root video. You will find that video in the iCard link. However, I found a way to those animations along with the new custom fingerprint icon settings available in OxygenOS 16.0.9. We can even add the water ripple effect to all of these animations. I tested this on my OnePlus 13R running with OxygenOS 16.0.9. This method also works on other OxygenOS 16 versions, but you may experience some bugs or glitches. So make sure to watch this video till the end because I will also show you the issues and the limitations of this fingerprint mod while reviewing its features and the settings. Now without further delay, let's get started. This is my OnePlus 13R which is running with OxygenOS 16.0.9 version, which already has the new custom fingerprint icon setting. Today we will install the new fingerprint styles on this device. This process will also work on other OxygenOS 16 versions below 16.0.9, but it may cause some more glitches as compared to OxygenOS 16.0.9 version. Let's check out how to use this method. First, download all the new fingerprint styles and the new settings APK from the link given in the video description. Only use stock My Files applications to install these files. Open the application and go to the folder where you downloaded them. First install the settings APK. Once done, install all the fingerprint APK files one by one. These APK files only contain the fingerprint animations, so you will get the animations but not the fingerprint icons. Once all the applications are installed, go to the settings, home screen and lock screen option, and under the fingerprint setting, there you will find all the new fingerprint animations that you installed. In the first row, you will see the new icons customization feature. You can apply different fingerprint icons as you like and they should work properly. However, some styles may glitch or fail to apply. If that happens, simply switch to another fingerprint icon and then apply your preferred fingerprint styles once again. I will also show you how to enable the water ripple effect for all these animations, so keep watching. Under the default section, you will see some fingerprint animations. You can apply them from there as well, but I recommend using the animations only from the custom section. To enable the water ripple effect for all fingerprint animations, first apply the ripple effect animation and then select any other animation style. This is actually a glitch in the mod that combines the ripple effect with the other fingerprint animation styles. Next, this setting application offers more advanced customization features compared to the stock OxygenOS 16.0.9 fingerprint settings. You can add up to 5 custom fingerprint icons. Tap on any icon, then tap on the setting option and you will be able to customize that icon slot further. Using the change button, you can choose from the several supported icon sets, or you can even create your own custom icon using the keyboard character. However, not all characters are supported. Some may display the character not supported error. Now let's talk about the bugs and the glitches of this mod. Since this APK is extracted from Realme UI, some parts of your setting application will changes to Realme UI style. Even the version information may show you the Realme UI 3.2 and some setting pages will also look like Realme user interface. Another issue is that whenever you apply the fingerprint animations, the fingerprint setting page will automatically closes and swipe back. Next issue is you didn't get the stock fingerprint icons, you can only able to use custom icons. For OnePlus devices running below OxygenOS 16.0.9 may face more fingerprint animation glitches. If you don't like this mod and want to remove the new settings application, simply go to the settings application and under the application management tap the 3-dot menu from the top right corner and select the show system application. Now search for the settings application and uninstall its update. That's it, your stock fingerprint setting will be restored. I recommend using this process only on OxygenOS 16.0.9. If you try to use it on older versions, you may experience more glitches. So proceed at your own risk. If it works for you, let me know your device name and the OxygenOS version in the comment section. Right now, this is the only way to use this new fingerprint styles. If I find the newer and the simpler method without these glitches, I will definitely make another video. So stay tuned to our channel. Don't forget to press like, hype and share buttons, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss out our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.